Start by opening Pages. You're going to click the plus sign, new blank. I did blank landscape. For this particular assignment, that's what you'll want to do. For me, it was under recents because I had already tested it. Okay, if you want, you can go ahead and type your name, date, period, etc., etc. And then you can come up here to this plus sign. Oh, you know what? And over here, I actually want this probably on the other side. So I'll go to Format and bring it over there. Okay. Then I'm going to come up to the plus sign and I'm going to enter Shape. You want to make sure you're on Basic. You could be on one of these, but you want to be on Basic. Lovely. I'm trying to screen record. It's my fault for not turning on notifications. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the circle. And then I can type in here, seeds and cross cutting concepts. Okay, then I'm going to come up. I'm going to do plus. I'm going to do another circle. But this one, I want a different color. So I'm going to go to Format and Style and, make it whatever color you want. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. I'm going to paste, 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 till you have 7 circles. And looks like I'm short one. Okay, on Pages, I didn't want that. It's really easy to move shapes around. If you're on the iPad, this is going to be actually easy, and I hope that you'll actually be able to have fun doing this, because you can rearrange things. And then you can just type in them. Just type in each of the cross-cutting concepts. You can change that style, format, text. I want the text to be white. There you go. Oh, wait, but I want format. I wanted to do the fill. To be, blue, yeah. So you'll be able to have fun with this. And then for the outer shapes, again, you do in here, make them bigger or smaller based on that. Let's say I want this behind that circle, so I'll go to Format, Arrange, and then I'll send it backwards. See, and now that's on top of that. So I hope that this makes sense. That should help you. I'm sorry I couldn't start it for you.